All right, just got back home. The trip took a total of about 11 hours and 10 minutes. Average mile per gallon was around 35, 37. Let's see how many miles we put on. It looks like it ended up being 529 miles instead of 570. We took some shorter ways. So how am I feeling? I'm tired. My butt hurts. My hands hurt. I definitely wouldn't do like 500 miles back to back to back, you know. Probably would do like 500 miles and then maybe 200 miles and then 500 miles, 200 miles, like if I was to go out for a long trip. You know, it's comfortable enough. I would do it again. I just wouldn't want to do it tomorrow. I need to look in for better seat. Y'all put some seat options down below if you know some seats that are more comfortable than the stock one. All right guys, it's almost 5:30. We need to pack up the Ninja so we can hit the road. Today we're going to find out, is the Ninja 1000 SX really a sport tour, or is it just a sport bike with saddlebags on it? We have the Thrashin Supply road trip bag. The way this thing works is you can unbuckle these and there's another strap, so it's designed to go around a sissy bore on Harleys or, you know, cruisers, but we're going to make it work on the sport bike. All right guys, we got the Thrashing bag all strapped down, shouldn't go anywhere, and I'm going to go put my MBT hoodie on, grab a swig of guys, we're here. We ate Margaritaville. Wasn't that good. Dogs going after each other. So yeah, I didn't film anything coming up. It was foggy, and by the time, you know, the fog cleared and everything, I didn't really feel like stopping to bring the camera out, so I figured we'd just film up and down the strip real quick and then head back home. Huh. I knew that was a Georgia guy. Haha. Down this way a little bit and then come back up. I definitely brought too much stuff. I thought I was going to do a whole lot of this, that, and the other, and then realized I'm not going to do half of that. So, oh well, right? You live and you learn. Bring less stuff. But as far as the ride up here, the bike, you know, was great. My back is kind of bothering me. My shoulder's kind of bothering me. But, you know, I think that's just going to be me problems. You know, the bike's comfortable and fun to ride, and we definitely got on some strips where the speed limit was definitely a suggestion. The way Google Maps brought us, we got on some back country roads in Florida, which is a first. I've gone down, you know, a couple different ways coming down here, And this way, you know, had me going on some other road. Those bikes distracted me. But yeah, they had me going down one road that was like extremely country. So that was nice to be able to just, you know, have some fun. I should have come to this diner and ate there. And I'm probably stupid for going this way, because I need to go back the other way where all the traffic is headed. Lost my I don't know what you want to call it, UV forearm protector thing. Ah! Was looking at that stupid slingshot and almost bought this guy a body kit. To make a U-turn. Oh, where do I want to make a U-turn? Forever since I've been down through here. That's pretty gay with all the colors. I wonder if they think that like screams "walk in me." Beach houses look like Easter eggs with the pastel colors. I don't know how I feel about it. This is definitely like a new trend, probably. I got my bag on as tight as I had it on when I came up here, but the bag did really good coming up here. Ooh, you know, obviously it stayed on. bought one of these. And by these, I mean motorcycles. When I was stationed in Hawaii, I probably would have stayed in the military. Slingshot that holds 6 people. Why? Oh my god. What is it with Jeep people and the ducks? I mean, it's almost like the same thing. Like, I couldn't wave. I was too in the moment. I don't remember all these bridges being here back in the day. Like, I don't remember that parking deck being here. Man, getting old's crazy. You come back somewhere and it's like nowhere near what you remember it. Like last time when Clint and I rode up here, we just ate, went to the Harley place and dipped. We didn't ride up and down the strip, obviously, because look at it. Uh-oh, the golf carts are racing. Oh man, sweating like a whore in church. What's that? I got one at home. Oh, right on. Right now, I'm just gonna break this one because my bags fell off. Really? How you like that one? I put an aftermarket tank on. I'm getting 122 miles of tank. Oh, really? Yeah, for a gallon. Wow. So, I got back to Jacksonville on one tank. Before I saw a 5-gallon tank. Man. And they got it for the Ninja. You get a 7-gallon. Do they? Right on. Pretty strong. Oh, he ain't even looking. Panama City, we came, we saw, it's constructed. Ha! It's always under construction. That's what I meant to say. What in the type of, this is not a European roundabout. I don't even know. What in the world? speed limit, 45, motherfucker. I need to slow down. Thanks for watching.